Welcome back to our Introduction to C# tutorial series. In this video, we will guide you through the process of setting up your development environment for C# programming. Why is setting up the development environment important? Before you can start coding in C#, you need to have the right tools in place. Setting up your development environment ensures that you have the necessary software and tools to write, compile, and run your C# programs efficiently. Choosing an integrated development environment, IDE. One of the first steps in setting up your C# development environment is choosing an IDE. An IDE is a software application that provides a comprehensive set of tools for software development. Here are a few popular IDEs for C#. 1. Visual Studio. Visual Studio is a powerful and widely used IDE for C# development. It offers a rich set of features, including code editing, debugging, version control integration, and more. Visual Studio provides a user-friendly interface and is available in both free and paid versions. 2. Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code, VS Code, is a lightweight and customizable IDE that has gained popularity among developers. It offers a wide range of extensions and supports C# development through the C# extension. VS Code is free and available on multiple platforms. Installing the .NET SDK. Once you have chosen an IDE, the next step is to install the .NET SDK, Software Development Kit. The .NET SDK provides the necessary tools, libraries, and runtime for developing C# applications. Visit the official Microsoft.NET website to download and install the .NET SDK for your operating system. Creating a new C# project. After installing the necessary software, you can start creating your first C# project. Open your chosen IDE and create a new C# project. The IDE will provide templates and project structures to help you get started quickly. Writing and compiling your first C# program. With your project set up, you can now write your first C# program. The IDE will provide a code editor where you can write your code. Once you have written your program, you can compile it using the built-in compiler in your IDE. Running your C# program. After successful compilation, you can run your C# program. The IDE will provide options to run your program within the development environment or generate an executable file that can be run independently. Conclusion: setting up your development environment for C# is a crucial step in your programming journey. Choosing the right IDE, installing the .NET SDK, creating a new project, and running your program are essential aspects of getting started with C# development. Thank you for watching this guide on setting up the development environment for C#. In the next video, we will dive into the fundamentals of variables and data types in C#. Stay tuned and happy coding!